Hello.
Hello.
The weather is very nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is warm and sunny.
I really like spring.
Me too. The days are getting longer now.
Yes, the evenings are bright. Do you enjoy this season?
Yes, I like it very much.
Why do you like spring?
Because the flowers are beautiful everywhere.
That's true. Look at the green trees.
Yes, they have many new leaves.
I can hear the birds singing.
They sing every morning. Do you like spring more than summer?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I like spring more too. Summer is sometimes too hot.
Yes, spring weather is very comfortable. Do you like walking outside?
Yes, I enjoy walking in the fresh air.
We can go to the city park this afternoon.
Great idea. We can have a picnic there.
Yes, I can bring sandwiches and orange juice.
I will bring some fresh apples.
Spring makes me feel happy every day.
Me too. I have more energy now.
Everything looks fresh and colorful.
Yes, nature is very beautiful.
I love spending time outside in spring.
I think it is the best season.
Let's enjoy this lovely weather together.
Yes, let's have a wonderful day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to buy some clothes for spring.
Of course, spring is a nice time to shop.
Yes, I need some light clothes now.
What are you looking for today?
I need a light sweater.
We have many new sweaters over here.
I like this green one.
It is very popular this season.
Is it comfortable to wear?
Yes, it is soft and very comfortable.
Do you have it in a medium size?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you very much.
Does it fit you well?
Yes, it fits perfectly.
I'm happy to hear that.
I also need a light scarf.
We have many colorful scarves.
I like this yellow one.
Yellow is a great color for spring.
It looks nice with the sweater.
Yes, they look very good together.
I think I will buy both items.
That's a great choice.
Where can I pay?
You can pay at the front desk.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful spring.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I have a problem with my allergies.
What symptoms do you have?
My nose is blocked and my eyes are itchy.
Do you sneeze a lot?
Yes, many times every day.
When did it start?
It started 3 days ago.
Spring allergies are very common.
Yes, there is a lot of pollen outside.
Do your eyes become red too?
Yes, they are red and watery.
Do you have a sore throat?
No, my throat feels fine.
I think it is a seasonal allergy.
Yes, I have the same problem every spring.
Have you taken any medicine?
No, not yet.
I can give you allergy tablets.
How many tablets should I take?
Take 1 tablet every morning.
Will they make me sleepy?
No, they should not make you sleepy.
That's good to know.
I also suggest using eye drops.
How often should I use them?
Use them 2 times a day.
Can I still go for a walk outside?
Yes, but wear sunglasses and avoid places with many flowers.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Grandma, the weather is wonderful today.
Yes, it is a perfect day to work in the garden.
Shall we start now?
Yes, let's get the garden ready for spring.
I am happy to help you.
Thank you. I enjoy working with you.
What should we do first?
First, we need to clean the garden.
I can pick up the old leaves.
Great. Please put them in the garden bin.
There are so many leaves here.
Yes, winter left a big mess.
What should we plant today?
We can plant some colorful flowers.
I like roses very much.
Roses are beautiful, but let's plant daisies too.
That sounds like a good idea.
We need to dig small holes in the soil.
I can use the little shovel.
Good job. Now put the seeds inside.
Should we water them now?
Yes, give them a little water.
The flowers will grow soon.
Yes, if we take good care of them.
Can we trim the small bushes too?
Yes, but be careful with the garden scissors.
Don't worry, I will be careful.
Our garden will look beautiful in a few weeks.
I love spending time here with you.
I love it too. Thank you for helping me.
Hello.
Hello.
The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it is perfect for riding a bike.
Do you like riding your bicycle?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
I enjoy it very much too.
Did you bring your bike today?
Yes, it is over there. Mine is blue.
Nice. My bike is black.
Shall we ride to the big park?
Yes, that sounds great.
Is the park far from here?
No, it takes about 15 minutes.
That's not far at all.
Are you wearing your helmet?
Yes, I always wear it.
That's very smart. Safety is important.
Do you ride fast?
Sometimes, but I usually ride slowly.
I like a slow ride too.
Then we can stay together.
Look at the flowers beside the road.
They are beautiful in spring.
Riding a bike makes me feel happy.
It is also good exercise.
Yes, I want to be healthier.
We should ride our bikes every weekend.
Great idea. Let's start our ride now.
Yes. Ready, set, go.
Grandpa, what are we doing today?
Today, we are going to plant a tree in the garden.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, it is a special day.
Why is it special?
Because we will plant this tree together.
I like that idea very much.
First, we need to dig a big hole.
Can I use the shovel?
Yes, here you are. Be careful.
The hole is deep enough now.
Great. Now let's put the tree inside.
We have to do it slowly.
Yes, we don't want to hurt the roots.
The tree is small now.
One day, it will become very tall.
I can't wait to see it grow.
You will watch it every year.
Should we add more soil now?
Yes, cover the roots carefully.
Now the tree looks strong.
Good job. It is almost finished.
Does it need a lot of water?
Yes, especially on warm days.
I will water it every morning.
Thank you. The tree will be happy.
I promise to take good care of it.
I know you will. I am proud of you.
I want to protect nature.
That is a wonderful promise.
Look, it is starting to rain.
Yes, It's a gentle spring rain.
The weather is still warm.
Yes, the air feels fresh and nice.
I like the smell after the rain.
Me too. Everything smells clean.
Do you mind the rain?
No, I don't mind it at all.
I forgot to bring my umbrella.
Don't worry, you can share mine.
Thank you. That is very kind.
You're welcome. It is only a light rain.
Yes, it is very peaceful.
Look at the trees. They look beautiful.
The leaves are shining with raindrops.
Spring makes everything look fresh.
Do you like walking in the rain?
Yes, if the rain is not too heavy.
Then let's walk slowly together.
That sounds like a good idea.
Can you hear the rain falling?
Yes, the sound is very relaxing.
I think it helps me feel calm.
I feel the same way.
Maybe the sun will come out soon.
I hope so. We might see a rainbow.
I love colorful rainbows.
Rain is good for the flowers and trees.
Nature looks so beautiful after the rain.
Yes, spring is wonderful, even on rainy days.
The Easter holiday is coming soon.
Yes, I really like this time of the year. Do we have any plans?
Yes, we are going to visit my family.
That sounds wonderful. Are we leaving on Friday?
Yes, early Friday morning.
How many days will we stay there?
We will stay for 4 days.
Great. Will your parents prepare a special meal?
Yes, they always cook delicious food for everyone.
I really enjoy their cooking.
My mother loves cooking for the whole family.
Will there be any Easter events in your town?
Yes, there will be a spring festival and a family market.
That sounds interesting. Can we visit them?
Of course, we can go on Saturday afternoon.
I have never been to an Easter festival before.
You will like it. Many families go there every year.
It sounds like a lovely tradition.
We can also have an Easter egg hunt with the children.
That's a fun idea.
Should we bring a gift for my parents?
Yes, let's bring some flowers and chocolates.
They will be very happy.
I hope the weather is sunny.
Spring weather is usually nice there.
Then we can spend time in the garden.
I can't wait to see everyone again.
Me too. Family time is very important.
Easter is always a happy celebration.
Yes, it is one of my favorite holidays.
Hello.
Hello.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's a great day to play soccer.
Do you want to play a match?
Yes, I'd love to. Are there more players?
Yes, some people are waiting near the field.
Great. We can ask them to join us.
I brought a soccer ball with me.
Excellent. Now we have everything we need.
Let's make 2 teams.
Good idea. 4 players on each team sounds fair.
Which team do you want to be on?
I will play on the blue team.
Then I will be on the yellow team.
Perfect. How long should we play?
Let's play for 20 minutes.
That sounds good to me.
Your team can kick off first.
Thank you. I'm ready.
Here comes the ball.
Nice pass.
Try to score a goal.
Goal. We scored.
Well done. That was an amazing shot.
Thank you. This game is really fun.
I enjoy playing soccer in the spring.
Me too. The weather is comfortable.
After the game, let's sit under a tree and relax.
Great idea. We can drink some water together.
Hello.
Hello.
The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's perfect for exercising outside.
Do you like working out in the park?
Yes, I like it more than going to the gym.
Me too. The fresh air feels great.
What should we do first?
Let's start with a short run.
How long should we run?
About 10 minutes.
That sounds good.
After that, we can stretch our muscles.
Yes, stretching is very important.
Shall we do some push-ups too?
Yes, let's do 15 push-ups.
That is a good number.
We can take a short break after that.
Do you exercise every week?
Yes, I usually exercise 4 times a week.
That's great. I want to exercise more often.
Exercise is good for your body and your mind.
I always feel happy after a workout.
Me too. It gives me more energy.
Look, many people are exercising today.
Spring is the best season for outdoor activities.
After our workout, let's drink some water.
Yes, and then we can sit on the grass and relax.
I really enjoy training with you.
Me too. Let's do it again next week.